In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update location in Amazon.de. To get started, open your web browser and go to Amazon.de. Once the site loads, sign in to your Amazon account if you haven't already. This is important because your delivery location and saved addresses are tied to your account settings, so you'll need to be logged in before making any changes. After you're on the Amazon.de homepage, look toward the top of the screen for the delivery location or address option. This is the section Amazon uses to show where items will be shipped. Click on that option, then choose Change or Update Location, depending on what appears on your screen. Amazon's layout can vary slightly, but the goal is the same. Now enter your new location details carefully. This may include your country, postal code, or zip code, city, and full delivery address. Make sure everything is accurate because Amazon uses this information to determine product availability, shipping times, and delivery options. When you've finished entering the details, click Apply or Save to confirm the update. Next, if you want to update your default address more permanently, move to the Account and List section. From there, select your addresses. This page lets you manage the addresses saved on your Amazon account. You can either click Add Address if you want to create a new one, or choose an existing address if you only need to make edits. Update the address details as needed, then click Save Changes. This helps make sure future orders use the correct destination automatically. If you prefer using your phone, you can also do this in the Amazon app. Open the app, tap the profile icon, and go to your account. Then select your addresses. From there, you can add a new delivery address or edit an existing one. Once you've made the necessary changes, save them. This mobile option is especially useful if you're updating your location while traveling or away from your computer. Finally, go back to the Amazon.de homepage and check the delivery location shown at the top of the page. This is the easiest way to confirm that your new location has been applied successfully. You can also search for a few products and look at the shipping options to make sure they reflect your updated address and region. If the shipping estimates or availability still seem incorrect, try refreshing the page or reviewing the address details again for any small errors. And that's how to update your location in Amazon.de quickly and correctly.